Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN HR Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until you see the logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button. Once you see the SKAGEN logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, you're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.